Hello viewers, hope we are doing well. Today's concept is use of good and well. They are very common words, but using those words we do the mistake because the meaning of both the words is same. In this video, I will be explaining it very clearly. Watch till the end of the video so that you will never do mistake again. So this is Umarana Mahapatra. Welcome back to my channel to get the concept better. If you find this video informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, do subscribe my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Good and well. Both the words are similar in meaning, but both are different parts of speech. Good is one adjective and well is an adverb. Good is used to modify a noun. Well is used to modify a verb. Let's see the sentences. Let's see the use of good as an adjective. A good day, a good player, a good singer, a good city, a good country. Good is used to modify nouns. So good is one adjective. Whereas well is an adverb used to modify verbs. Verb means action verbs. He plays well. She sings well. She dances well. Well is used to modify verbs. So well is adverb. If well is used after object, let's see. He plays football well. In this sentence, football comes as an object. Okay? When object comes, after for object will be written, then after well comes. Okay? So, but well modifies verb plays. If we say he plays well football, the sentence is wrong. Linking verbs can be used with adjective good rather than an adverb well because they describe a state rather than an action. Linking verbs are non-action verbs. Common linking verbs are to be, to feel, to look, to seem, to appear, to taste, to smell, to sound. Use of linking verbs with good. Let's see the use of linking verbs with good. She is good in dancing. She looks so good in her new dress. The evening sky looks so good. The curry smells so good. The music sounds good. Exceptionally, well is used as an adjective when you are talking about health. Let's see the example. My mother asked me about my illness and I told her I am well now. Most often we use two phrases. One is be good, another is be well. What is be good and what is be well? We use be good to talk about the behavior of that person. We use be well when we express a wish for someone's good health. Good is also used as a noun where to do plus good. With to do verb, we use good as a noun. Let's see the example. My father told me to do good for people. Here to do good. Good means something. So good is used as a noun here. Now, how much you understand? Test yourself. Let's have a look to the exercise. I am dash in writing literature. I am dash in writing literature. Yes, good. To be verb. After to be verb, what comes? Good. After linking verb. Her appearance looks dash to be an army. Her appearance looks dash to be an army. Looks dash. Yes, good. My father was suffering from fever yesterday. Today He is dash to go to his office. Today he is dash to go to his office. Yes, well. The boy was performing dash in his annual day celebration. The boy was performing dash in his annual day celebration. Well, performing one action word. So what comes? Well. That's it for this one. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you love my videos and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. Do not forget to leave a comment so that it will motivate me to make more videos for you. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.